So, are you hungry and you only have four items to eat in the home, and you're alone and you can't go anywhere, and you only have four items to eat? It's cheese, it's mayo, it's bread, it's ketchup, it's in mozzarella. I mean, five items you have. So, how to make a crazy sandwich, a toast delicious sandwich, and crazy hello looking sandwich? Today, I'm going to teach you how to make that sandwich become in reality. So let's get into it, boys.
I like your cut, G.
Picked out the bread and 1 teaspoon you need to put the ketchup and mayo. So remember that your pan shouldn't be wet. You need to dry it with tissue. And let's put the mayo first. It's so hard to record with one hand.
Wow.
Get that much, and you're gonna spread it out with a spoon. So you just take it out and you spread it. Just spread it out. It's a bit spread with it with the ketchup sides, no problem. And I hate these types of glass bottle, but what to do with this? So let me open it up. So it takes time. Oh, nice. Open. Oh, it's spilled up. No problem. It's on the plate. Now just throw your pan in your in your washing place and take out the mortadella. Need to, okay? Need to fold it up. Yeah, like this, yeah. And look at that. So hot, I'm telling you. Okay. So clap the meat and let's take out the cheese. And there the cheese is. Let me take one slice. It's taking time. We took it out. Let's open it up. Let me put the tripod for the satisfying part. There's the cheese and the satisfying sound. Now take it up, put it, and slide.
Like your cut, G.
Last time, and keep it up. Now let's put the sandwich there and take a spoon. Wooden spoon. Clap it up. It was quite hot. I think it will be done fast. It's done fast. It toasted fast. We need the tea. I need to clean it a bit because let's take the baby out. Nice. Ooh, yes, sir. Now we can cut it. It is hard and it's in a weird position, the camera, so let's cut it and don't waste any time. Oh, sir, yes, sir. Ooh, the meat inside looks fabulous. The cheese is perfectly toasted. Oh my gosh, it looks so perfect. It looks like a Subway. Oh my gosh, let's try it on, boys. So let's try it out, boys. It looks quite delicious. The flavors are quite, I can say they look good. I don't know why when the sandwich is cut it looks more good. So let's try it out. Bismillah. Mm. Mm. I'll rate the sandwich 8.5 out of 10 because there are less ingredients. if there are pickles and mozzarella cheese and pickles, it would be 10 out of 10. Why am I saying pickles? Because pickles can fit with anything. If you have eaten pickles with shawarma, they are quite outclassed. So that it is for today. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, and if you're new to the channel, please like and share and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon if you want these types of videos more. So please comment down below, and thank you for watching. See you then in the next video.